Welcome to our Scarecrow Writing Digital Activity, a fun and interactive way for kids to practice creative writing online. In this activity, students will learn to write a short story or description all about a scarecrow, the friendly figure that watches over the fields. This digital resource is perfect for distance learning, classroom use, or homework assignments. It helps students build writing skills while having fun. Kids will use their imagination to describe what their scarecrow looks like, what it does, and even what adventures it might have. Show animated pencils and happy colors. Our interactive slides guide students step by step, making writing easy, colorful, and exciting for young learners. Bring learning to life with our Scarecrow Writing digital resource, where creativity and technology come together.